Hey there crew, it's Mark, and in today's video, it's going to be an amazing one because today we are going to be checking out the Liene PixCut S1. This is the world's first smart printing and cutting all-in-one machine that you can use at home. This one little machine here can do it all, and today we're actually going to be designing, printing, and cutting our own stickers for our planner. Not only are we going to use the templates and things that already exist inside of the app, but I'm actually going to take something that I'm exporting that I drew myself, bring it in, print it, and turn them into custom stickers. Like, game changer right here. Let's get started. As a person who has always wanted to create their own stickers, this is amazing because I don't have to learn any extra skills. Liene makes it so incredibly easy to do. They give you everything you need inside of the box. We have the cutting and printing machine here. They also give you photo paper as well as sticker paper. It's two different types of paper that you're going to need. You get an ink cartridge that you pop right into the machine right here on the side, and that's everything we need to do other than put the paper into the machine. Everything you need is going to be nice and stored compactly inside of the machine. We pop this open here, and this is where you're going to see the drawer. This is where you put the photo paper, or in our case, where we're going to load the sticker paper. The photo sheets that they include are to print 4x6 photos, and you get 18 sheets of photo paper inside of here. The sticker paper is a little bit bigger, 4x7. That way we can get a lot more stickers on a sheet than just the photos. So now that we're all set up, let's go ahead and check out what's inside of the app. There are already some templates, some sticker ideas, other things that already exist inside of here. It's actually insane how much is already inside of this app from you to pick from custom-made labels, like I was mentioning, fun stickers, different things for different holidays. Like, there's just so much to get started with. I love that there are already pre-made templates and stickers in here that you can use right off the start, but I'm gonna get a little creative. I'm going to create weekly stickers for myself, Monday through Friday with a weekend, because it's rare that I ever see sticker packs that just have what I need. And this is why I'm so excited for this machine, is because now I can make stickers that I want in the way that I like to plan versus trying to find other people that sell them online. Inside of the app, I found a really cool just circle. It's almost like a little bit of like an ink swirl here. For the days of the week, I'm just gonna put a letter on top of these, and I can pop this right on top of here. There are a bunch of different fonts that we can choose from as well, so a lot of options for customization. I'm gonna go with this outlined one here. I really like the way that this looks. Not having used this machine before and the app itself, everything was actually really intuitive to set up. If you've used any type of design software out there or other type of cutting machines, the interface is very similar here. So I can go ahead and take a text box, place it right on top of the other image that I have for that circle. I can resize them appropriately. I can change the text. If you want to make things even easier, you can group things and ungroup things if you want to, and then really try to figure out the layout of the page. When I first started, I think I went a little overboard. I definitely want to get as much on this sticker sheet as I possibly can, but I think I went a little overboard with it, and I definitely validated that when I went in to try to cut these. Now, what I think is the coolest about this machine is that you can actually see the outline of everything. So before you even print and cut it, you can see what it's going to look like. You can even change the thickness of the outline of that cut as well. And when I fooled with that a little bit, I still saw that a lot of my stickers were interconnected. So it actually wouldn't cut them individually. If you look at it here, it actually looks like it would be cutting these as one big shape. So I needed to go back and edit it just a little bit to give everything a little bit more space. I spaced everything out a little bit more, and I was able to get 4 weeks of these weekly stickers inside of here. So I'm really excited about that. So now that I've got everything good, it looks good and ready to print, let's go ahead and do that. Once I send it to the printer, it goes through 2 phases. So the first phase is that it's going to go ahead and print the images onto the paper itself. You'll see here that it has a pass of C, M, Y, and K, so it's going to be full color, and then it goes ahead and it moves it to the bottom part of the cutter now. This I was really excited for because I've never been able to figure out how to create those die cut lines to make my own stickers, and I didn't have to worry about it at all. As you can see, it actually cuts really fast, it's really precise, and I'm so excited for us to be able to start using these stickers right away. So I'm very proud of myself. I was able to figure out how to make these stickers, print them out for my first time, but I wanted to push things a little bit more. And I thought, okay, I love that there's all these images in here already, but could I potentially import my own designs into this Liene printer and print out my own custom design stickers? And we absolutely can. A while back, I actually created some icons that I was going to use to carve my own stamps, and I thought these would actually be really perfect to try and see if I could print these as well as stickers. I was able to bring that image into the Liene app. There's an option here to remove the background so it separates everything, And now that everything is separated, I can actually go in and check to see if these lines are going to work out. And I can see that all of the different items on this sticker sheet are going to print. I'm ridiculously excited about this. So I went back in, I resized it, and because I have to get as much on this page as I can, I want to waste no space whatsoever, I added task labels and note labels over here, just using the same text as I had on the days of the week. I also found these really cool icons, some rulers and planners and different things like that, and I'm gonna stick those in those open spaces. I cannot share with you how excited I am that I can design my own stickers now, I can print them and I can cut them. This is really exciting. Now that I have my days of the week, as well as these really cool icons printed out, now it's time to take these and actually use them. I'm so excited for this. Let's create a weekly bullet journal spread inside of my bullet journal using my own stickers that I just printed and cut out myself. Since I printed out days of the week stickers, I'm going to first set up that weekly overview here on the left-hand side, giving enough space for those stickers to go on the left-hand side, and that way I'll be able to add notes or tasks or appointments into the right-hand side of these boxes. The stickers come off the sheet really nice and easily. This was a perfect cut on here. I'm so excited about this. I've been doing a lot of tip-ins recently to give myself extra space on the page, so I'm going to go ahead and take this note card, stick it in here with some washi, and then we'll add some labels to the rest of our page. So we have our note sticker that we created, and then on the underside of this tip-in, I'm going to put my task items here. This is going to give me that note section here for the top, but a really long area to write tasks throughout the week. One of the icons that I drew is like a Polaroid held on by a clip. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this up on the top, and that's where I'm going to put 4 for the month for April. And then I'm going to use a pen, and I'm just going to write right over top of here. Every pen is going to be a little bit different, so make sure you test things out before you use them over top of these stickers and these photos. But man, this is awesome. We'll do some quick lettering for April, and then I'll also put a label over top of my tip in here for our capacity number, which I capture for my team. And then we have everything that we need here. We have these awesome weekly stickers that I printed out on the left-hand side. We have our notes and our task stickers, as well as our doodle Polaroid that I printed out as well, and we're ready to go for the week. So as you can tell, I'm absolutely obsessed with doing this now, and I'm thinking of like a million ideas on how I can continue to use these, both inside of my planner, but also how I can use them around the house. I can create my own labels for boxes. You could use these inside of your pantry if you wanted to. I think this could also be an awesome idea if you own your own store and you want to create custom labels for yourself. Like you can import whatever you want if it's not already in there, or use the templates. I have a lot of exploration to still do with all of these different types of stickers. I think some of these are just so fun. Look at these guys right here. Like, who are you and why are you not inside of my planner right now? I'm going to put all of the links and descriptions for the Liene PixCut S1 down in the descriptions for you below, so you can check this out for yourself if you think this is something cool that you would like to check out. But I have to hear from you down in the comment section. Let me know how you would use the PixCut for yourself. Are you just printing photos? Are you making your own stickers? Like, what other cool ideas would you come up with to use this for? This is super exciting. I'll definitely be sharing more of my stickers with you in the future. I just have a lot of ideas and I'm very excited about this. I appreciate you hanging out, checking out this really cool printer and cutter. This is gonna be so awesome to play around with. I can't wait to create more stickers for myself and my planner. All right, friends, it's time to go. I will talk to you later. Thanks for hanging out. See ya.